Hi guys, Linda here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can care for your natural straight hair. This is not a bone straight hair. This is a natural straight hair. So this wig right here has already been washed. Right now, I'm just about to start styling it, and I'm starting by completely detangling the hair, brushing through it with a hairbrush. So after I'm done brushing through the hair, I'm going to cut out a section of the up part of the hair and clip it away. When you are trying to style your straight hair, you want to work in small sections. So that up area which I just parted out, I'm trying to ensure I clean out the area I am clipping up. Yes, just clean it out by brushing it together. After I'm done brushing it, I'll use my ribbon. Either I can use a rubber band to pack it on top, or you can use a hair clip. Now it's time to start working on the small section. So I'm spraying some heat protectant spray on the hair. These are the products I'm using: the Cantu heat protectant spray and the Moroccan argan growth oil. Those two. Right now I'm applying my hair serum on the hair, because of course your hair needs oil and it also needs the heat protectant to prevent the hair from getting damaged as a result of excessive heat. Right now I'm using my hair straightener, and the hair straightener I use is from Cloud9. I think right now I'm in search for a hair straightener that is hotter than this one. I don't know, I'm no longer feeling the heat I'm getting from this Cloud9 hair straightener, so I think I need to get another straightener that can give me more intense heat. So I'm using a hair straightener to work in small sections of the hair. I'm also going to divide that section you're seeing there into two, so I can get in a smaller chunk of it, because you want to ensure you go in very small sections, because it's going to give you the most straight look. Take note, this is not a bone straight hair, it's a natural straight hair. That's the reason why it's more difficult to get your natural straight hair to have that sleek straight look, unlike when it's a processed bone straight hair. The bone straight hair is easier to achieve that sleek straight look with, unlike when you are working with a natural straight hair. See how sleek and straight that piece is? You need to be patient when you're straightening your hair. Work in small sections. You keep on taking from a section of the hair to another section, and you straighten it. Don't forget your heat protectant is necessary. You also need your argan oil serum, and you keep on straightening the hair. This is a repetitive process, so I just believe that you can imagine what I did from this down part here to the up part of the hair. But I'll just show clips of how I kept on straightening the hair, so you guys can just watch me do it. Right now, I'm done with straightening the hair and it's time to trim the ends because my client wants the wig to have that blonde cut look. So I'm using my clipper to trim off the ends of the hair. I think I went too high. I should have cut it lower, but I just wanted that end to be very full. That's the reason why I took like 4 inches of this wig. But the thing about this blunt cut look is it makes your hair look richer. That's the reason why I am cutting it, and I believe this is what my client also wants me to do. Though I feel like she might complain that it's a bit too short, but she's gonna have to deal with it because I can't put the hair back. So I'm just trimming off the ends of the hair. It might be a bit unleveled right now, but I'm going to go back in and clean it until it's completely on the same level. The first time you try to achieve that blunt cut look, it might not be perfectly straight, so you can just go back in and clean it out until you achieve that sleek straight equal look. Right now I'm using that styling mousse. I applied it on the closure area because I'm just about to lay the hair on the closure area because I want it to stay flat, sleek. After I am done applying that mousse all over the closure area, I'm applying the wax. That's the wax stick. I'm just going to rub it on the hair on the closure area. Then next, I'm going to use my coiling wand. Some people like to use the hot comb, but I feel like this coiling wand just is hotter than my hot comb. So I've been using my coiling wand as to flatten the hair on my closure area of late. So I'm just using the wand and rubbing it on the area while I'm using my comb to comb through the hair, and I use the coiling wand to just apply pressure on the area where the hair is so it just lays flat and it covers up all the area I'm trying to cover. The closure I used for this week was a 2x4 closure. I wish I probably used something like a 4x4, a 3x5 closure because these days I think I just prefer that wider closure look. But the thing about the 2x4 closure is that's the closure sizes. The 2x4 closures are more affordable, but honestly I think working with wider closures are better off because it's easier you have more hair to cover up the other sides of you have more hair to play with, unlike this one that I have very little hair to work with. So if you're trying to decide what type of closures are best for your wigs, it's 3x5 upwards. From 3x5, 4x4, those are best for your wig, except you're somebody that's going for a Kim K look, that very deep part. Then you can do a 2x6 closure, or there are even closures that are like 6x6. So with a 6x6 closure, you can still achieve that very deep part. So guys, you can see what I'm doing. I'm just applying pressure with that coiling wand to flatten the hair on the upper part of the wig, and I'm doing it on all sides of the wig, on the left side, on the back side, and on the right side. When I'm done with repeating this step over and over again until I've achieved the desired flatness and sleek freshness that I want, I'll stop the process and work on the rest part of the hair. Just watch me do it. I didn't finish trimming the ends of the hair, so I'm just about to complete with the trimming of the ends of the hair right now. So I'm still using my clipper and I'm using my fingers to sort of hold the hair to give me a bit more control. What I'm doing with my fingers is I'm holding the entire chunk on that side together to give me more control as to where I am cutting, so I don't go and cut one area higher than the other. So by holding the hair together, it sort of grips it and allows me have that perfect sleek blunt cut. Yes, that's what I'm doing. Even the areas that I didn't cut before, I'm going back to those areas to ensure I cut off the excesses on those areas. Yes, that's what we are doing. Cutting off the excesses. Yeah, so look at it. So this is our natural straight wig, perfectly styled, ready to be worn, beautiful, really nice. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends who are going to get value out of it, and please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Leave a comment telling me what you want to see me style next in the comment section.